Imagine walking into a home where every shelf feels like a page from a high-end design magazine, balanced, curated, and full of personality. Shelves may look simple, but they are one of the hardest areas to decorate without making them look messy or unfinished. And here's the secret. Professional designers follow formulas. They don't just throw objects randomly, they apply styling rules that anyone can copy. Today, you're going to learn those exact secrets step by step so that every shelf in your home, from your living room to your bedroom, looks intentional, cozy, and stunning. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to avoid the biggest shelf decor mistakes, but you'll also be able to style like a professional designer, even if you're working with a tight budget. And here's the challenge for you. Stay with me until the end, because you'll discover the one trick that instantly makes any shelf look magazine-worthy. While you watch, think about the shelves in your own home. Are they telling the story you want them to tell? Share your answer in the comments below, because your feedback makes this community grow and inspire even more people. And if you love learning practical design secrets, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a new video. The very first thing designers do is choose a clear color scheme. A shelf with every color of the rainbow looks chaotic, but a shelf with 2 or 3 dominant tones feels intentional. Start with neutrals as the base, white, beige, black, or natural wood, and then add 1 or 2 accent colors. For example, black and white with touches of gold, or wood tones with accents of green from plants. This limited palette ties everything together, making even inexpensive objects look elevated. One of the most common design mistakes is placing items in straight rows, which flattens the look. Designers instead group objects in odd numbers, usually 3s, and vary their heights. Picture a tall vase, next to a medium stack of books, next to a small candle. This triangle of heights creates rhythm for the eyes. Odd groupings feel natural and balanced. By repeating this technique across the shelves, you introduce a flow that feels professionally styled. Books are not just for reading. They are the backbone of shelf styling. Place some vertically to create stability and others horizontally to break monotony. Horizontal stacks can serve as platforms for smaller objects like candles or figurines. If the spines are colorful and distracting, flip them so the pages face outward, creating a uniform neutral texture. Designers often mix reading books with decorative coffee table books to add depth and character. Plants are one of the most powerful tools for shelf styling. A trailing ivy cascading over the edge softens hard lines. A small succulent adds freshness. Dried arrangements like pampas grass bring texture and warmth. Greenery adds life, and more importantly, movement. Without it, shelves can look static. With it, they feel vibrant and inviting. A shelf should not look like a store display. It should tell your story. Personal touches are essential. A framed photograph, a travel souvenir, or an object that reflects your hobbies instantly makes the styling unique. The trick is editing. Choose a few meaningful pieces and let them shine. Too many personal items create clutter, but the right ones add warmth and identity. Designers love using sculptural elements, whether it's a ceramic vase, an abstract figure, or a decorative bowl. These pieces act like exclamation points, drawing the eye and anchoring the shelf. Alternate between organic forms, like rounded vessels, and geometric shapes, like angular sculptures. This balance between soft and structured objects adds sophistication. Flat arrangements look dull. Layering creates depth. Place a framed print or artwork leaning against the back wall of the shelf, then position a smaller object in front of it. Stack books horizontally, then top them with a candle. This layered effect makes the shelf feel dynamic, multidimensional, and full of character. Lighting is the secret weapon of high-end shelf styling. Hidden LED strips, clip-on spotlights, or even a nearby lamp can highlight the objects and create a cozy glow. Light turns shelves from practical storage into a design feature. It also makes evenings more atmospheric, turning your shelves into part of the room's ambience. Perhaps the most overlooked design element is negative space. Do not fill every inch of the shelf. Leaving intentional gaps gives the eye room to rest and ensures the shelf doesn't feel chaotic. Designers understand that space is just as important as objects. It's the pause that allows the story to breathe. The final step is to treat your shelves like a mini art gallery. Instead of filling every inch, choose fewer, stronger pieces and give them room to shine. Think of each object as if it's on display, selected for its beauty, balance, and meaning. Rotate items from time to time, just like galleries change exhibitions, so your shelves always feel fresh and intentional. This discipline of curation is what makes shelves look elegant, professional, and timeless. Shelf styling is about more than decoration. It's about creating balance, personality, and rhythm. By choosing a color palette, grouping objects with the rule of thirds, mixing books, adding greenery, including personal touches, you can transform ordinary shelves into extraordinary design moments. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these shelf styling secrets do you think will make the biggest difference in your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because your perspective might spark new ideas for others. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more professional tips on decorating, organizing, and styling your home. Hit the like button if this inspired you, and share this video with a friend who is always looking for creative ways to decorate. Together, we can turn simple spaces into cozy, stylish, and truly personal homes. Up next, you'll find a curated collection of inspiring Imoject samples that showcase these techniques applied in cozy, stylish homes.